To send Bitcoin on Snapchat, you will need to use a third-party service that integrates with the platform. As Snapchat does not natively support Bitcoin transactions, the most common method is through the use of the Cash App, which is a mobile payment service that allows users to buy, sell, and send Bitcoin. First, you need to download and install the Cash App on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Once installed, create an account or log in if you are an existing user. The Cash App will require you to provide some personal information and possibly link a bank account or debit card to facilitate transactions. After setting up your Cash App account, you will need to add Bitcoin to your account. This can be done by purchasing Bitcoin directly through the app using your linked bank account or debit card. Alternatively, you can deposit Bitcoin from an external wallet into your Cash App account. To send Bitcoin to someone on Snapchat, you will first need to get the recipient's cashtag, which is a unique identifier used by the Cash App to facilitate transactions between users. The cashtag can be found in the recipient's Cash App profile or they can share it with you directly. Once you have the recipient's cashtag, open the Cash App on your device and navigate to the Bitcoin section of the app. Select the option to send Bitcoin and enter the amount you wish to send. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's cashtag. After confirming the transaction details, including the amount and the recipient's information, you can complete the transaction. It is essential to note that sending Bitcoin on Snapchat through the Cash App or any other service may incur fees, including transaction fees and exchange rate fees if you are buying Bitcoin within the app. Additionally, be cautious when sharing your financial information and only transact with trusted individuals. Best practices for sending Bitcoin on Snapchat include verifying the recipient's identity and cashtag to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong person. Keeping your Cash App account and device secure to prevent unauthorized access. And being aware of the current market conditions and fees associated with Bitcoin transactions. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin on Snapchat requires the use of a third-party service like the Cash App, which integrates with the platform to facilitate transactions. By following the steps outlined and adhering to best practices, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin to others on Snapchat.